What's up, everyone? This is Yevgen from a local Canadian company, Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg. Today I will show you how to enter the service mode of a dynamic cooking system, Fisher and Paykel dishwasher. With the help of the service mode, we can view the error code stored in the memory. In addition to viewing errors using the service mode, you can perform a full check of all components of the Fisher and Paykel dishwasher without disassembling it and without special measuring devices. Structurally, the DCS Fisher and Paykel dishwasher consists of two separate small dishwashers combined into one body. Therefore, both the upper and lower sections can be checked using a service test. In my case, I partially disassembled the lower section and launched the service mode. And on the upper half, I conduct a step-by-step demonstration of entering the service mode. Let's go! To activate the service menu, the dishwasher must be connected to the power supply, but not turn it on with the power button. The control panel is blank. I press and hold the lock button and the start pass button simultaneously. I hold them for about 5 seconds. The indicator above the start pass button will start glowing light purple and the dishwasher will go into service mode. Reading errors. If the dishwasher detects a malfunction, it will display an error code in the form of a combination of LEDs. If the dishwasher has a display, the display will show the error code. In my case, there were no error codes in memory. If there are no errors, all cycle selection LEDs are lit. All LEDs are lit. I press the start pass button 3 times until the delicate wash and rinse cycle light up. The various components function can be checked by pressing the start pass button to select. I press the key lock to start the select function. If a problem occurs during the service test, it will be displayed by the corresponding indicators. In my case, there were no error codes in the memory and the service test of all components did not reveal any problems or malfunctions in the Fisher and Paykel dishwasher. Exiting the diagnostic mode. To exit, press and hold the power button until the dishwasher is completely turned off. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about the DCS Fisher and Paykel dishwasher, entering the service mode, questions about error codes, or questions about any other appliances, leave comments, and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. So, I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.